Today, we will be replacing the temperature probe on the model TST-SL-TB. The probe is located in the top of the unit, underneath the motor. Motor removal is not required. Remove the top of the unit and set it on a flat surface. Here is a list of tools that you will need to complete the replacement. Before operating any maintenance on any of our equipment, make sure to remove the plug from the power source. Once the machine is disconnected from a power source, it is time to remove the stainless steel top paneling. To do so, remove the 6 screws located at the back and sides of the unit. After removing the screws, gently lift the top of the unit like so. First, locate the connector to the probe. The 2 wires should be connected like so, and zip tied to the bottom plate. Cut the zip tie to free the wiring and separate the wires by pressing down on a tab and pulling apart. On what is typically the bottom of this unit, there is a panel secured by 2 5/16" bolts. Remove these, slide the panel out, and set it aside. The probe is held in place with a P-clip tightly held by a 3/8" nut. Use the appropriate nut driver to loosen, not remove, this nut. Once the nut has been loosened, use a flathead screwdriver to spread the P-clip apart and pull the probe through like so. Behind the steel paneling there is a rubber grommet leading to the top of the unit where you unplug the probe. Guide the probe through that hole and set it aside. Grab the new probe and feed it through the top of the unit and through the P-clip, where the end of the probe is in line with the central shaft of the blower motor. Secure the probe with a 3/8" nut and reinstall the cover and the 2 5/16" nuts. Attach the new probe to the unit's provided wire. Secure the plug with a zip tie around the bottom of the unit where there is a tab shown. Finally, replace the top paneling of the unit, reinstall the 6 screws, and test the unit for normal operation.